Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Robinhood app appearance. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is open up our Robinhood app. And then once you open up the Robinhood app, you're going to reach a page that looks like this. Next, click on the person icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner, and then scroll down and then click on the settings, notifications, and beneficiaries or account button. So it's this button right here. Now once you've done so, you're going to see app appearance. Click on that, and then here is where you could actually go ahead and change the market colors. You can change the market hours. You could also change the accessible colors as well. You can see here you can make it a light theme, dark theme, or match your iOS appearance. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the app appearance of your Robinhood account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.